Good morning. This is Josh Hayes with Hedge Plus, and here's today's market monitor. Well, there's not a whole lot to be excited about right now, especially with wheat. Wheat inventories are ample. China is sitting on over half the world's wheat right now, all while additional acres are expected, and stocks are also expected to be raised over last year's number come Monday. Corn, you can usually count on strong ethanol production, but even that was missed yesterday with production dropping to an eight-week low. To make matters worse, stocks of ethanol actually jumped above expectations. Never a good combination to have production drop and stocks grow. So use is obviously down there. Crude oil is trading a little bit higher. It's one of the few things helping these markets out right now. That's propping up bean oil, which is helping soybeans stay above $10 for now. Got today and tomorrow, and then hopefully good news on acres with beans on Monday, and maybe we'll be able to stick here above $10. Did see that the recent rains that came across the plains. I thought the rains had touched upon places like Kansas and Nebraska. We know they hit the Great Lakes and the northern plains. Weren't expecting much improvement in Oklahoma and Texas, but it turns out the rains that fell across the Central Plains really weren't substantive either. And you take an area basically from Nebraska and Kansas down through Texas and Oklahoma, and if they don't get rain here soon in the next few weeks, it's going to really become a problem. And then no doubt we'd start to see some weather premium built in there. Nothing really definitive in the forecast just yet as far as whether or not that rain will come. I do know that the prospects over in Europe and the Black Sea region continue to improve there, so that is not helping wheat prices right now. Looking at that weather, widespread rain for the weekend and then cold. That's concentrated to the northern areas, the Midwest, Great Lakes, Eastern Corn Belt. That is not, as of yet, projected to reach the central and southern plains. In Russia, the new rain forecast looks beneficial. More models are aligning that Ukraine, Europe, Eastern Europe, and southern Russia will get rain here soon. In Australia, they are anticipating rain that will help improve the soil moisture there for wheat. And in Brazil, the eastern area is dry while the rest of the country sees rain. That rain is still at this point considered beneficial, but if it doesn't let up, that's going to start to affect harvests and slow them down. Everything I said at the beginning, you'd think prices would be down, but of course, right now the prices are up, although it definitely needs to be pointed out that with corn and wheat, these numbers, while up since the close yesterday, are quite a bit down from where we were 24 hours ago. Beans are almost exactly where they were at this time yesterday, but up 2 3/4 since the close. That's all for today. Have a great day, everyone.